Welcome to Supplement Exposed with NutriBoss.
Hello Nutri Warriors, today we are diving deep into a topic that has been making waves in the beauty and wellness industry, collagen supplements. Collagen has become a buzzword and for a good reason. It is held as the fountain of youth that promises glowing skin, strong nails and healthy joints. But with so many types of collagen out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Especially when considering different skin types. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will learn a lot on all things collagen. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body, making up 30% of our total protein content. It is a major component of the skin, hair, nails, bones, joints, and also connective tissues. That is the tissues that maintain the form of the body, its organs, and provide cohesion and internal support. Think of collagen as the scaffolding that provides structure and strength. It is what keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. But unfortunately, as we age, our collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and other signs of aging. According to a 2022 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, collagen production starts to decline by 1% after the age of 20. When you consume collagen, whether in form of powder, pills, liquids, or any other form, your digestive system breaks it down into smaller peptides and amino acids, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream and used by the body to produce new collagen and support other bodily function. Now that you've understood what collagen is, let's explore the different types that exist. There are about 28 types of collagen, but the most common types of collagen found in supplements are type 1, type 2, and type 3. Type 1 collagen is the most abundant in the human body and it's found in the skin, tendons, organs, and bones. It is known for its role in skin elasticity and hydration. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology indicates that type 1 collagen is particularly effective in improving skin hydration and elasticity. Type 2 collagen is primarily found in cartilage and is essential for joint health. It is often used in supplements aimed at reducing joint pain and improving mobility. A recent study in the Journal of Arthritis Research and Therapy highlights the benefits of type 2 collagen in alleviating symptoms of osteoarthritis, which is a condition that affects the joint when the protective cartilages that cushions the joint wears out. It affects mostly old people. Type 3 collagen is found in the skin, lungs, walls of the intestine, and blood vessels. It works alongside type 1 collagen to maintain structure and elasticity. It plays a crucial role in healing of wound. To answer the question I know you already have in mind, how effective are these supplements? Considering how much information and videos about collagen circulating online, a lot of people want to truly know if collagen supplements are effective. Do not worry yourself. NutriBoss is here to answer all your questions and help you make informed decisions. Bear in mind that your health is my priority. So, recent studies have shown promising results on the effectiveness of collagen supplements. For example, a recent study in 2020 published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology found that participants who took collagen supplements for 12 weeks experienced significant improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and density. Another study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology reported that oral collagen supplements can help reduce wrinkles and improve skin texture just after 8 weeks of use. However, you need to understand that not all collagen supplements are created equal. The source of collagen, its type, the presence of other beneficial ingredients like vitamin C and hyaluronic acid can all influence its effectiveness. This brings us to our main topic, how to choose the best type of collagen for your skin. So many people get confused on which collagen type is best for their skin, especially because they don't know their skin type. How about you? Do you know your skin type? I guess you don't. Please, before we continue, kindly take a minute to click the subscribe button and like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people who need to take control of their health. I'm waiting. Have you done it? Okay, thank. Let's continue. So, to determine the best type of collagen for you, it is important to identify your skin type. Generally, skin types are categorized into four main types: the oily skin, the dry skin, the combination skin, and the sensitive skin. Now, let's take a closer look at each so that you can know which category your skin falls into. Firstly, we have oily skin. This skin type produces excess sebum, an oil substance that protects and hydrates the skin surface, leading to a shiny appearance and often suffers acne. Second on the list is dry skin. Dry skin is characterized by lack of moisture, which makes it to feel tight, rough, and may be prone to flaking. That is when your skin starts peeling as a result of dryness. The third on the list is combination skin. Combination skin is a mix of oily and dry areas, typically within the T-zones, which is your forehead, your nose, and your chin, while your cheeks remain dry. And lastly, we have the sensitive skin. This skin type is easily irritated and may react to certain products, environmental factors, and stress. I hope this explanation can help you understand your skin type. But if you are confused, a practical way to know your skin type is to wash your face with a gentle cleanser and wait for an hour at least without applying any product. Then examine your skin closely in the mirror. Pay attention to how it feels and looks. This will help you identify which category your skin falls into. Now that you've determined your skin type, you need to know the best collagen for your skin. Let's start with the oily skin. If you have an oily skin, type 1 and type 3 collagens are particularly beneficial. This type of collagen are known for their role in maintaining structure and elasticity, which can help reduce the appearance of large pores and improve overall skin texture. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that type 1 collagen supplements reduce sebum production and improve skin clarity in participants with oily skin. Additionally, type 3 collagen supports skin elasticity and hydration, which can help balance oil production. And to get enough type 1 collagen, it is recommended you choose hydrolyzed marine collagen, which are derived from fishes and has a smaller molecular size compared to other sources, making it easier for the body to absorb, which can lead to more noticeable improvements in skin texture and oil control. If you have dry skin, you need collagen type that not only supports skin structure but also provides deep hydration. Type 2 and type 3 collagens are ideal for this. Type 2 collagen, which is primarily found in cartilage, contains higher amounts of hyaluronic acid, which is a powerful hydrating agent. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that participants with dry skin who took type 2 collagen supplements experienced significant improvements in skin hydration and elasticity. And to get enough type 2 and type 3 collagens, it is recommended you go for bovine collagen, which is a rich source of type 2 and type 3 collagens. Bovine collagen is derived from cows and has been shown to enhance skin moisture levels and improve skin texture. It is also beneficial for joint health, making it a great all-round supplement. And also, when choosing a collagen supplement for dry skin, look for products that combine collagen with other hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. This combination can enhance the benefits and help you achieve a smoother and more hydrated skin. Now, let's talk about combination skin. If you have combination skin, you need a collagen type that can balance oil production while providing hydration to dry areas. Again, type 1 and type 3 collagens are best choices. A recent study published in the International Journal of Dermatology found that a combination of type 1 and type 3 collagen supplements helped improve skin texture and hydration in participants with combination skin. It is recommended you go for a multi-collagen supplement that contains a blend of different collagen types like marine collagen, which is rich in type 1 collagen, and bovine collagen, which is rich in type 3 collagen, as well as other beneficial ingredients like probiotics and antioxidants. These products can provide comprehensive benefits and address both oily and dry areas of the skin. Now, let's address sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin, you need a collagen type that is gentle, soothing, and supports the skin's barrier function. Type 1 and type 3 collagens are particularly beneficial as they help strengthen the skin structure and improve resilience. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science found that participants with sensitive skin who took type 1 collagen supplements experienced reduced skin irritation and improved skin barrier function. This is likely because type 1 collagen helps reinforce the skin's protective barrier, making it less susceptible to external irritants. For a sensitive skin, it is recommended you go for marine collagen, which is rich in type 1 collagen and has anti-inflammatory properties and is less likely to cause allergic reactions compared to other collagen sources. Marine collagen is also highly bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed by the body. So as someone with sensitive skin, you need to look for products that are free from common allergens and artificial additives. You have to also understand that pairing your collagen supplement with a soothing skincare routine, that is products with ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile, can help calm and protect your skin. If you have used or currently using any of these collagen supplements I've mentioned in the video, kindly tell us your experience and feel free to ask questions in the comment section. And please do not forget that supplements don't replace foods. So endeavor to eat right, drink enough water to keep your organs working well, exercise regularly, and consult a registered nutritionist or a dietitian before taking any supplement, especially if you're on medication or have an underlying health condition. Thanks.
This is Nutri Television, your professional source to everything nutrition.